NCERT Class 9th Chapter 1 Identities related to square roots. Identity 1, root AB equal to root A into root B. Identity 2, root A upon B equal to root A upon root B. Identity 3, within bracket, root A plus root B into, in another bracket, root A minus root B equal to root A whole square minus root B whole square equal to A minus B. Identity 4, A plus root B into A minus root B equal to A square minus root B square equal to A square minus B. Identity 5, root A plus root B into root C plus root D equal to root AC plus root AD plus root BC plus root BD. Identity 6, root A plus root B whole square equal to A plus 2 root AB plus B. Identity 7, root A minus root B whole square equal to A minus 2 root AB plus B. Rationalization of denominator. So we rationalize the denominator like this. Part 1, 1 upon root A equal to, we multiply root A to both numerator and denominator. So that this becomes 1 upon root A multiplied by root A upon root A equal to root A upon A, and we give the example to this. 1 upon root 2 is rationalized, so we multiply root 2 upon root 2. This becomes root 2 upon 2. We go to second identity, 1 upon A minus root B. We have to rationalize this. So what we do, as we have A minus root B in denominator, so we will be multiplying it with the change of sign. So this will be 1 upon A minus root B multiplied by A plus root B in numerator as well as in denominator. So this becomes 1 upon A minus root B multiplied by A plus root B upon A plus root B. This gives us A plus root B upon A square minus B. And our example for this is 1 upon 2 minus root 3, and we have to rationalize the denominator of this. So we multiply 1 upon 2 root 3 by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. This is equal to 2 plus root 3 upon 4 minus 3, which is equal to 2 plus root 3 upon 1, which is equal to 2 plus root 3. The third part is 1 upon A plus root B, and this we have to rationalize now. We have to rationalize the denominator of it. So it is having A plus root B. So we'll have to multiply by A minus root B in numerator and denominator. So we do like that. So this becomes 1 upon A plus root B multiplied by A minus root B upon A minus root B. This is equal to A minus root B upon A square minus B. And we give the example of this. 1 upon 2 plus root 3 equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. As we were having 2 plus root 3, so we multiplied it by 2 minus root 3. So this becomes 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3, which is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 1, which is equal to 2 minus root 3. Topic 1.6, laws of exponents for real numbers. If I write a to the power m, then a is called base and m is called the exponential power or simply power to a. Now we go to the laws of exponents. Our first law, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Here a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. Here base is same. When base are the same, then when these are multiplied, then the powers are added. So a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Here the exponential powers are added. Here I give the example for this. 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 equal to 2 to the power 5 plus 3 equal to 2 to the power 8. Second law, a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. And we go for the example for it. 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 4 equal to 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 3 to the power 8. Law 3, a to the power m upon a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Here m is greater than n. And the example for this is 5 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 2 equal to 5 to the power 4 minus 2, which is equal to 5 to the power 2. Law 4, a to the power m into b to the power m equal to a into b whole to the power m. Here bases are different, but their exponential power are same. Therefore, a to the power m into b to the power m. Here bases are different, a and b are different, but their powers are same. Hence we multiply a into b whole to the power m. Here the example is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 whole to the power 4. Law 5, a to the power 0 equal to 1. Whatever may be the base, if the power is 0, then its value is 1. And for this we give the example 3 to the power 0 equal to 1, or 10 to the power 0 equal to 1, or 100 to the power 0 equal to 1. So for any base, if the power is 0, then its value is 1. These are our laws of exponents for real numbers. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.